Hello, friends! Right now, we are going to show you 3 best smart arm blood pressure monitor. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we've included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 3. CAVN Blood Pressure Monitor. One-touch barrel-type upper arm blood pressure monitors for home use. No wrap auto fit design. Fits arm 7.1 16.5 inches, 3-color backlight, 2 users 2x99 memory. Barrel-type design with one-touch operation. Slide your arm into the barrel-style upper arm blood pressure monitor. Rest your elbow on the built-in elbow pressure switch to help lock in proper placement, and press a single button to start measuring. Perfect for seniors and anyone who finds cuff wrapping difficult, it eliminates the hassle of traditional cuffs and reduces placement guesswork, making at-home checks quick, comfortable, and easier to do correctly. Auto Fit Wide Range. This upper arm blood pressure monitor uses a comfortable cylindrical barrel design to auto-fit arms 7.1 16.5 inches, creating a secure, stable, even contact fit for different users. Unlike traditional wrap cuffs that can feel too tight, loose, or pinch, it supports a more comfortable experience and consistent fit, ideal for shared family use across different arm sizes. Accuracy you can trust. FDA cleared for home blood pressure monitoring. Pressure accuracy ± 3 mm Hg per product specification for consistent daily tracking. For best results, measure with proper posture and keep your arm supported at heart level. Large LCD display and 3-color backlight. This upper arm blood pressure monitor features a bright, easy-to-read LCD screen that clearly shows systolic/diastolic blood pressure and pulse, easy to view even in low light. The 3-color backlight provides a simple visual reference to help seniors and family members understand results faster at a glance. 2 users 2x99 memory. This blood pressure monitor stores up to 99 readings for each of 2 users, keeping family results separated so you don't mix up measurements. Easily review history, compare changes over time, and spot daily blood pressure patterns. Great for shared home use with clearer, more convenient tracking.
Number 2. Withings BPM Vision Smart Arm Blood Pressure Monitor. FDA cleared, easy to use, accurate systolic and diastolic measurements, wide range cuff, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, iOS and Android. Brand, Withings. Included components, charger, cuff. Power source, battery powered. Display type, large display. Size, large. Age range description, adult. Item weight, 2.3 pounds. Model name, Withings BPM Vision. Manufacturer, Withings. Your cardiovascular health in just seconds. Systolic and diastolic blood pressure, plus heart rate tracking at medical grade accuracy. No more guesswork. Color-coded feedback instantly shows how your results compare to official U.S. hypertension levels defined by the American Heart Association. Big, bright, and easy to read, the 2.8-inch LCD screen displays ultra-clear results. Step-by-step instructions, built-in tutorials ensure every reading is taken in the ideal conditions for accuracy. Portable and designed for comfort, a protective case doubles as a stand for perfect readability. Perfect fit cuff. Includes a standard cuff, 8.7 to 16.5 inches, 22 to 42 centimeters, ensuring a comfortable and accurate fit for most adult arms. Set it and forget it. 1-year battery life means you won't have to worry about recharging. Effortless sync and smart compatibility. Syncs automatically via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to the Withings app for unlimited data storage, compatible with iOS and Android.
Number 1. Blood Pressure Monitor, Automatic Upper Arm Blood Pressure Monitors for Home Use. 2 blood pressure machine cuff, 9 to 17 inch and 13 to 21 inch, with large LED backlit display, 3x199 reading memory, users white. Brand, Yonlo. Included components, cuff. Power source, battery powered. Display type, LED. Age range description, adult. Manufacturer, Shenzhen Goodly Med Technology Company Limited. Accurate and fast blood pressure monitor. The Yonlo blood pressure monitor is equipped with an upgraded precision chip and advanced measurement technology to deliver stable, reliable readings every time. This blood pressure machine is simple to operate. Just press the start button and get accurate results in as little as 35 seconds, ideal for daily home monitoring. Dual cuff sizes for the perfect fit. Designed with a dual-size blood pressure cuff system, this BP machine includes 2 adjustable cuff ranges, 9 to 17 inches and 13 to 21 inches, to comfortably fit different arm sizes. The flexible BP cuff ensures a secure fit, helping improve measurement accuracy for every user.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.